Okay, talking about transformations, describe the transformation. Okay, so what if I gave you y equals 4 f of x plus 3? Describe the transformation on f of x. So your answer would be that there is a vertical stretch of 4 and it shifts vertically up 3, goes up 3. Okay, what if I give you that? Okay, so your answer would be for the 4, it'd be a horizontal compression by 4 and a horizontal shift. And what does that horizontal shift do? It goes right 2. Okay, you have to be careful sometimes on these ones because what if I had just given you something like that, right? You would have to understand to factor out the 4, and that would determine that it goes right 2. Okay? Y equals 2 f of 3x minus 8. Okay, so now the 2 represents a vertical stretch by 2. The 3 represents horizontal compression by 3. And the 8 is a vertical shift that goes down 8. Okay, let's do some transformations on points. Okay, so we have that point on f of x. So now, what would the point be on 2 f of x minus 4? Okay, so the 2 affects the y value, so that's a vertical stretch on y. So that means I'm going to be multiplying that. And the 4 is affecting my x value, so it is making a horizontal movement which is going right 4. So my new point is 16, negative 16. Okay, same point on f of x. Now, what if I asked you to give me the point? Okay, so now I look, what changes do I have to my x, what do I have to my y? So this would affect my x, and this one will affect my y. Okay, so the compression will affect my x like that, and this is a shift up, so it'll affect my y by adding. So my final point is 3 comma, negative 3. Okay, using the same point, 4f of 3, x plus 2 minus 1. Okay. So now I have changes to my x. Those two changes are going to be on my x. So take my x value, 12, and it will be compressed by 3, and then the movement will be left 2. The 4 will affect my y, and the 1 will affect my y. So the 4 makes it times by 4, and the 1 will move it down 1 after. Okay, so this is 4, subtract 2 is 2. Negative 32 subtract 1 is negative 33. Okay.